Hi, today's behind the scenes video is a very special one. A proposal in Tanzania. Together with Marc, Manon and our driver Manon, I went on a private safari in the Serengeti. I photographed many proposals before, but this one was special for me too. Surrounded by giraffes, Marc got down on one knee. And Manon said yes. Congratulations guys.
Heel slow.
Other safari guides drove by, got out of their vehicles and started singing and dancing together.
Jambo, jambo bwana. Wakaribishwa Tanzania. Hakuna matata. Karibuni. Hakuna matata. Serengeti. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata.
It turned into such an amazing celebration. We were just in time before the rain started pouring down, but it definitely didn't ruin the rest of the safari, because afterwards we spotted many lions and even a leopard, which we hadn't seen yet. What a day to never forget. Wish you both all the best. Do you want to see more Africa content? Let me know in the comments.
Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani?